So Seedance 2.0 just launched globally on Higgsfield, which means you can now use it even if you are in the United States or anywhere else in the world. And after testing this model, I have to say, it is a complete game changer for AI films and content creation. So today, I am going to show you the best way to use it inside Higgsfield, what it is going to cost you, and I am also going to show you a massive problem with this AI model that nobody is talking about. But before moving forward, I just want to say thanks Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. So, after coming to Higgsfield AI, you are going to see a landing page like this. Now, as you can see here, Seedance 2 is available for everybody. You can easily access Seedance 2 here by just clicking on the video section and choosing the Seedance 2 model. This model is quite expensive, as for just 15 seconds of video it costs 90 credits, so it is very important for you to actually choose when you need to use this model. If something can be done using a cheaper model like Kling 3, then you should use Kling 3. Only for complicated stuff which the other cheaper models can't achieve, I think that only then you should choose Seedance 2 or Seedance 2 Fast, as Seedance 2 Fast is a lot cheaper than Seedance 2. Because in Seedance 2 Fast, a 15-second generation only costs 53 credits with sound on, whereas for normal Seedance 2, it costs 90 credits, which is a huge difference. Now, let me show you all the results that I got when testing this video model. Alright, so the first generation that I did with this model was this specific UGC video of an influencer reviewing a product. Now, I specifically chose a UGC style video for the first video generation here, as I saw people on Twitter, now X, and all over the internet, talking about how impressive Seedance 2 is with this type of UGC content, where an influencer is talking to the camera. So I wanted to try that first, and I gave the AI model quite a large prompt with lots of detail about the camera, the aesthetics of the video, and the things that the influencer is going to be talking about. Now, let me just show you the video.
I have officially stopped buying $6 lattes every morning because of this. I switched to the ceremonial grade matcha and the color is literally insane. It mixes so easily and it gives me pure energy without any of the coffee jitters. Like, it actually tastes better than a cafe. If you are a matcha girl, you need to try this one.
Now, as you can see, this video was pretty impressive. The voice of the AI character here is much more realistic than my own voice, and the liquid physics when the character is pouring the oat milk into the cup is also very natural. The text on the oat milk carton here is not getting distorted while the character is pouring the milk into the container. Also, the facial movements of the character sound very natural, and the lighting inside of this room is very impressive. It is something that I would actually expect to occur naturally inside of a room. So overall, this was a very good generation from Seedance 2. Next, I tried generating an anime-style fight scene, but it immediately got censored. And this highlights a massive problem with Seedance 2. It censors almost everything. Even for the simplest prompts, the restrictions are way stricter than anything I've seen from Google. Worse, you can't even upload an image of a realistic person. The AI will outright refuse to generate a video from it. This makes creating consistent characters basically impossible. Now, one solution that I found for this specific problem is if you particularly mention this text, "no gore, no blood," with a PG-13 rating, then the AI model is able to generate the same video with the same prompt. So adding this text fixes the problem sometimes, but sometimes the AI model is just going to refuse the simplest of video generations, even if you did nothing wrong. But anyway, the second time, the AI model did generate our video, and this is the video that the AI model generated. Now, as you can see, this video was also pretty good. Especially the first few moments of the character running here looked very high quality and had a lot of animation with strong movement where the character was not getting distorted. Now, right near the middle of the video here, the animation took a turn for the worse and it tried to look like AI slop. But still, near the end of the animation, we got to see some cool sequences. So overall, I am going to give this video generation a 6 out of 10 rating. Some scenes of this video were good, whereas others were not that good. So Seedance 2 is not always going to be generating the best quality of video that it can generate. Sometimes it is just going to put out AI slop, and you would just need to edit that out or reiterate with the model to get the best result possible. Thereafter, I wanted to see how good the AI model is going to be with a podcast-style video, so I gave the AI model a prompt. Now, I'm not going to read out this prompt because this is going to make the video a lot more boring, as it is just a bunch of text and dialogue. What you just need to know about this prompt is that it basically asks the AI model to generate a video between two AI-generated characters, and they are going to talk about the best AI video model, which is Seedance 2. Now, this is the podcast that the AI model generated.
Okay, so everyone is talking about AI video right now, but I have been testing all of them and there's a clear winner.
Exactly, I saw your test. The physics, the camera movement, it is undeniably the best new video generator out there.
Right? You just type in what you want and the reel is insane. Nothing else touches that level of cinematic quality.
We're completely on the same page. Seedance is officially the best video generator on the market. Period.
Now, the main thing here is that the characters are speaking very fast. I think this is not a problem with the AI model. It is a problem with the prompt that I gave the AI model, as the prompt was too long and there were too many dialogues in the prompt, which the AI model could not fit inside the video length of 15 seconds. It would take 30 to 40 seconds of actual video footage for the dialogues to sound natural. But I did not take the video length into account, so the AI model had to make it very fast. I think that is why the dialogue sounds a little bit unnatural. Now then, I also wanted to generate another cool fight scene. Now, the first time that I tried to generate the video of two characters fighting with swords, I ran into the same problem where the AI model would not generate the video, saying that this violates their guidelines. But I just added the text, "No blood, no gore, PG-13 rating," and then I was able to use that specific prompt again and I got a successful generation. And this is the video that the AI model generated. Now, as you can see, this video was particularly good, with lots of people in the background fighting, and the sword movement between these two highly realistic characters was pretty impressive. The swords were not getting distorted, which was a very bad problem with previous AI models, where things that moved too quickly would get very distorted, and you would be quickly able to tell that it was a bad generation. But that is not the case with this Seedance 2 AI model. Now, I also generated this really cool video that I want to show you. In the prompt for this video, I just asked the AI model to create a POV video of a footballer juggling a ball and then shooting that ball into a goalpost. And this is the video that the AI model created. Now, as you can see in this video, the lighting is pretty natural and the juggling motion of the ball was pretty good. The physics in the juggling motion was actually there. But the problem is just that there are no players on this field and there is also no goalkeeper at the goalpost. I did not mention those specifically in the prompt, but I thought the AI model would understand the context of the prompt and actually add those things. But the AI model clearly did not understand the context of the prompt here, so it did not add any goalkeepers or any other players on the field, and it did not even add any visible onlookers of the game, but it did add the sounds of the audience cheering. So I will give this AI video a 7 out of 10 rating. And here is another cool video that I generated. Now, this is also a POV style video. For this specific prompt, I did not add any details. I basically asked the AI model to create a medieval style first-person POV of a knight going into battle. Make it a POV video of that specific knight. I also specified that there should be no blood, no gore, and this video should have a PG-13 rating. So it did not restrict the video in any way and generated it on the first try. These keywords work very well. And this is the video that the AI model generated here. Now, as you can see, this video was way better than the football video. This is a very good POV style video. But as there are a lot of characters in the video, the characters in the background are getting distorted quite a lot. The fighting between our knight and his enemies also doesn't make sense. But still, some fight sequences were cool, while others did not make any sense. Overall, this was a very fun video. So, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 rating. So in conclusion, Seedance 2 is a very good model, but you do need to know when and where to use it. And you also don't need to give the model a very detailed prompt to get a good generation. You can just give the model enough context and it will automatically generate a good video for you. Now, that was about it for this video, and don't forget to check out Higgsfield from the link in the description.